Like I bet he probably hasn't invested in Oklo. A lot of you have made insane amounts of money on Oklo. Warren Buffett probably has not. Warren Buffett buys these big boring companies, like Coca-Cola, and he'll buy insurance companies, and some of these turn out to be great long-term investments. Like he bought a lot of shares of that Chinese company. I think it's called Baidu, that makes all these like they make cars better than Elon Musk, and they charge less, and the cars are just so much better, and they produce more. And there's a part of Elon Musk that is brilliant. There's a part of him that's frustrating. There's a part of him that's fraudulent. In fact, Marquez Brownlee, who's a very prominent influencer, he's one of my favorite black influencers. He doesn't get it. He's not into shenanigans. He's not running some kind of crazy minstrel show to get attention. He's just a tech guy, and he just talks about technology. And I just love him. I love it when black people get to just be human and smart and not have to act crazy to get attention. So Marquez Brownlee, who's interviewed Elon Musk, he just announced on his podcast where he said, "I put $50,000 down on a Tesla Roadster in 2017, and I still haven't gotten the car yet." He said they've been holding my money, my 50,000, for 8 years, and I asked for my money back, and it was really hard to get my money back. So I'm sure Elon was not happy about that. But that's the thing about Musk, is that's another thing that makes him risky. But anyway, so in terms of investing, let's circle back to Buffett, because I don't remember how Musk even came in the conversation. But with Buffett, Buffett does not invest in crazy high growth companies. That's right, we're talking about Baidu, but he did invest in like Apple, a big investment in Apple in 2016. He made billions of dollars from that. So he tends to invest in solid, stable companies, but he doesn't invest in high risk, pre-revenue companies. So sometimes it makes him look brilliant. Sometimes it makes him look stupid, because sometimes he'll miss out on a big rally. Like he's probably missed out on a lot of this rally with AI because he's sitting on $250 billion in cash and doesn't want to use it, which I personally don't agree with that strategy. I think that's a little bit too conservative. But anyway, okay, next question. All right. So, by the way, has anybody filled out their bingo? Has anybody like got bingo yet? Has anybody there yet? Okay, nobody's there. All right, let's keep going then. All right. Next question is, have you bought your first share of stock? If the answer is yes, click that or check that box. Um, and let me keep looking and see if anybody hits bingo. Can I repeat the ones I called? I can't repeat them all, Maya. I'm so sorry. The but yeah. So try to, if you could try to follow along with it, that'll help. I can't, because I can't always go back, because we've done quite a few, and I want to get to some other parts of class as well. So I apologize for that. All right. So next, have you checked your stock portfolio this week? That's another one. So check that if you've looked to see. I bet most of you have. Probably a lot of you probably checked it this morning. Um, all right, so next, do you know what dollar cost averaging is? Have you learned? Wait, it's Mia. Mia, I'm sorry, Mia. Mia. Oh, it's okay, Mia. Don't apologize. I apologize for not being able to go back and read everything. Mia. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, we got a winner. Shauna. Okay. Shauna said stocks. Okay, great. All right. Yeah. So just so you know, in case you want to know how the game works, like what happens when you hit bingo, let me show you the card. Okay. So let's say that you hit all these, right? Y'all can see my card, right? And you go across, it should do this, right? You should get like a big old like happy like way to go, like you hit bingo stocks and whatever. So that's the game. So congratulations, Shauna. Shauna, take a picture of your card and where you hit bingo and send it. Email it to Amani. Amani's at support@theblackbusinessschool.com. That's support@theblackbusinessschool.com.